Hello, my name is Gintara Stassunaitita, and I'm office manager at one of the high street restaurants. Our restaurant gives a chance to young unemployed people to have a better future. All profit from the restaurant goes to foundation, which funds our apprentice program. Looking at our restaurant structure, my line managers are our operation director and our general manager. On a daily basis, I usually liaise with our general manager as she is based in the restaurant. Furthermore, this video is about skills and knowledge. The video will emphasize the knowledge and skills which I have developed through my workplace. In this video, I use learning goals 2 and 5. Those goals reflect on my gain knowledge and skills. Through my work experience, I obtained the knowledge on how to use softwares for hospitality and my micros. I'm using both systems on a daily basis. I use for hospitality to proceed the payroll, human resources, and other information relevant to the staff and restaurant employees. My microsystem helps me to manage company sales and revenue. Moreover, I was new at my position and I did not know how to manage or submit the payroll to the For Hospitality website. The manager whose position I took over showed me only once how to proceed it on FOV. As soon as she left the company, I had to face it on my own. Despite the fact that I have very tight deadlines, the payroll has to be submitted latest by Tuesday noon. And in the beginning of the week, I have more duties, including doing 3 days cash-ups, closing employees' hours, issuing sales mix reports, and preparing a weekly pack to head office, with all the invoices and documents from the previous week. Nevertheless, I understood the fact that employees' paychecks were dependent on me, even though I did not felt fully confident and I was a little bit nervous, as this environment was new for me and I had a very short training. Perhaps this led me to forget where I have to go in the software to approve the payroll. I understood the consequences, but if I don't submit the payroll on time, the employees would not receive them pay, they would not be able to pay them bills. Also, my general manager and operation director would be very disappointed with my performance, which could lead to the extended probation period or misconduct. For this situation, I would like to apply Alfred Bandura 1987 theory of reciprocal determinism, which means that our personality is the product of our behavior, our thoughts and our feelings in the interaction within our environment. The theory was taken from Stuart Clark and others, Book Management and Organizations, page 63. Book was published in 2011. Secondly, I was familiar with my Microsoft software from my previous workplace. However, I did not use the system that much in depth. My current role has helped me to develop a better understanding on how to manage company sales and find the revenues we needed. Overall, I was satisfied that I managed to submit the payroll on time, and I comprehend the fact that I have to be more confident in making critical decisions and stay calm and professional and more objective. As an outcome, I'm happy that I have learned how to use For Hospitality and my microsystem, as it is a great asset for my future career, which can be applied in various workplaces. Nevertheless, management information and accounting module from university gave me strength and better understanding when dealing with the financial situations at work. As an office manager, I also have an opportunity to be more involved in employees' development and restaurant growth. My responsibilities include employees' timekeeping, holiday requests, maternity leaves, and sick pays. I generally care about our employees' well-being and always try to motivate them and to help them to find solutions to any problems. For my current role, I would like to apply Goal 2, which Drucker's management theory, and it states that management is a task, management is discipline, but management is also people. Every achievement of management is achievement of manager. Every failure is a failure of manager. I took theory from Book of Understanding Strategic Management by Clay Caper. Book was published in 2008, page number 176. Through my workplace, I have developed skills such as better communication via emails, mainly how to be more constructive, As English is my second language, and in the beginning I found difficulties to communicate effectively, especially when dealing with negotiations and complaints. Moreover, following Goal 5, I think that my work and university together has helped me to improve my critical and analytical thinking, particularly on how to be more objective and how to not rush when making decisions. I'm very pleased and lucky that my operation director always provides me with the training and support, and I believe he helped me to develop confidence in myself and ability to be more creative in managing people and finding solutions to the problems. In this content, I would like to apply Ideographic Approach from book Management and Organization Behavior by Laurie Mulvin, published in 2010. Ideographic approach is a holistic and dynamic perspective which insists that managers take into account a full understanding of individual at work, such as understanding motivation, career development, and team relationship. Thank you very much for listening.